Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your services, your goals, and your questionnaires. From here, I'm going to go ahead and click Settings. You will see a lot of default services that are already added to your WeTreat app. If you want to take them off, you can go ahead and click the service and move the status from active to not offered. Once you press save, it will remove it from the system. If you want to add a new customized service, you want to make sure to edit your goals first. So let's go there. At the top, I'm going to click Services and go to Questionnaires. From here, you can see all of the default goals. Take note that any of the default goals, you can move the status to not offered and it will take it off of your WeTreat app. But all of the details, like the photo and any of the questions, cannot be edited. So if you wanted something kind of like this, I would suggest to create your own goal, add your own photos and your own questions. When you create a new goal, you'll be able to see how to add your photo, enter the title of the goal. You do not want to make this the same as a service. It is important that when a consultation is being conducted by the nurse practitioner, it establishes the reason why the patient is there, the chief complaint. So examples of a goal would be like lose weight, get rid of pigmentation on my skin, enhance my energy, things like that, not actual services. Once you've edited the details and you've attached the services that the goal aligns with, and you can choose the encounter notes, you will also see this feature Screen Good Faith Exam before prescriber's review. So that means when a patient fills out the questions and the questionnaire, it will stop and it will put them in the qualify section that you will see later. The NPs will not be able to see any of the patients in the qualify section. And from there, your staff members at your office can review the medical history, make sure all the information is inputted correctly, and then move the consultation to new. Once you move it to new, it will trigger that consultation to be reviewed by the nurse practitioner. That is also wonderful for hormone replacement therapy or semaglutide. For those services, need lab review. If you want to add any questions, that's going to be here. Once you add your questions, for example, how many pounds would you like to lose? You can put a text box, yes and no. If the person responds yes, you can have a follow-up question. If they respond no, you can also do a required follow-up question, or you can create a drop-down list and they can choose A, B, or C. After the question is added, you will go ahead and click Save. After all of your goals are edited and customized, from there, you want to also make sure to edit your service categories. Service categories could be cosmetic or aesthetic treatments. And it says virtual in person. You can choose something, but it's for a later feature that isn't active yet. And then I also added a wellness category for now. Once these are set, I'm going to click Services. And if you ever want to add a custom service, you can click the New Service button here. From there, you will see the categories that we added. You can enter the name of a service, like Sculpt. It does say duration, and you can pick a random allotted time. For now, this is for an upcoming feature that has not been released yet. Same goes for my book online. What's important is that you do want to attach the goals that are associated with the treatment. So if a patient chooses improved body figure and then After they have entered in their medical history, they've chosen the goal, improved body figure, it will automatically assign Msculpt because that service is associated with the goal. If you have custom consent forms or other consent forms that you want to attach to this service, you can do so here as well. I'm going to go ahead and add it. Perfect. That concludes our video to edit your services, your questionnaires, your goals, and your categories. Please contact your account manager if you have any other questions.